now it's time for our first game! Alright! Medyo related siya dahil ang first game natin, ang tawag sa kanya ay The Makya Challenge!
So, Makya.
Wow!
Wow. Okay.
Look at that! O, diba? Okay. This night is gonna be so much fun for everybody, full of games, prizes, and surprises, and it starts with this one. So, ang mangyayari is, meron tayong 5 players. They're on standby now. Actually, pipiliin yata namin ang 5 players. Mamaya pa yung on standby. Sino kaya gustong sumali sa game natin? 5 players. And all you have to do is, within 30 seconds, parang magkakaroon ng code word dito. So, Tagalog yung code word. O, makinig muna kayo. Bawal mapahiya mamaya. Dapat magaling tayong lahat. Mamaya, mag-flash dito na Tagalog code word. And you, it is your task na i-act out, parang charades lang, only with your hands or body. I-act out nyo para maintindihan ni Song Joong-ki within 30 seconds. Okay? Kaya natin. Okay, so pili na tayo. But you have to wait for my signal, okay?
Wow, okay.
Sasabihin ko, timer starts now. Antayin nyo lang yung now. Okay, so, I think si MJ, tutulungan tayo pumili. MJ, let's go! Sino ba ang napakaswerte? Player number 1?
Ay, hindi na pa siya. Sobrang intense niya. Ate, nandito pa ako. Kailangan mo daw sabihin yung name mo.
My name is Claire.
Kaya mo yan, di ba?
Claire. Claire. Her name is Claire.
Claire. Hi,
No,
Claire.
sana Claire!
Hi, Claire. Lagi sarangayo.
Okay. Oh, ayan. Last mo na yan for now. Kasi ngayon, pipi ka na. Okay? That's the mechanics. Okay? So, bibigyan ka namin ng 30 seconds. Pero titignan muna natin yung word. Okay?
Okay.
I'll cue the timer. Okay? Ready ka na ba, Claire? Handa ka na? Okay. Tignan muna natin yung word. Ano yung word natin? Tignan muna natin. First word is... Can you say that? What is it?
Kalapati.
So cute.
Kalapati. Kalapati.
Lahat ng words na to, wait for my cue lahat ng to related sa Vincenzo, okay? So, are you ready? Joong-ki?
Vincenzo와 관련 있는 거예요.
네, related sa Vincenzo.
Why is Kalapati? Seems like calamari.
Okay, wag muna kayo magbigay. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, timer starts now! Ang dali lang, kaya-kaya. Ano kaya yan? World peace? Chat. Ano
인자기.
yan?
인자기. 새.
Yes, you said it
Bird.
right.
Bird. 새. Bird. Pigeon.
Yes!
Oh, this is good.
Pigeon is correct.
Thank you, Claire.
Ang galing ka. Thank you so much, Claire. You have won. Okay, scoreboard is 1. Very good.
Okay, I love this game.
Okay, you love this game?
Okay.
Congratulations, Claire. Okay, so may fun fact lang tayo. Kalapati, Jackie. Okay, so now, let's go for the over there naman. Naman tayo. Kamusta ka naman? Hi, kamusta naman kayo dito? And now we have IC Mendoza. Ayan na. 6. Kamusta ka na dyan? IC, sino ating kahiwagang player? Ikaw!
Oh, 안녕하세요.
Hi girl! IC, ano pangalan niya? What's your name?
Dinayin ko. Ay, ka naman kay Song. Hi, Song Joong-ki.
What's the name again?
Divine.
Divine.
Funny.
Divine. Divine.
Divine.
Yes. Okay. So, Divine, ready ka na ba? Handa ka na? Nakapag-warm up ka na? Okay. So, let's see the next word. You wanna look? Okay. Next word is...
Apoy. Apoy.
Easy to pronounce, right? Apoy. Okay, so
Apoy.
again, you can answer in Korean or English. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Apoy.
All you have to do is actions lang ha. 30 seconds. Ready? Divine? Okay. Timer starts now. Oy, don't use your mouth. Ang cute ni Divine. Pinigil niya talaga eh. Kaya mo yan.
Can you cover?
Ano kaya to? Go ahead, look at Divine. Okay yun na. Oh, wow.
Huh? What's that? Ah! Fire!
Napakadali.
Okay.
Kaya-kaya.
너무
Fire.
잘하신다. galing niyo.
Yes. Fire. The fire in our hearts. Hello. Sinigawan kami lahat.
감사합니다.
What's your name?
Sayaw naman, sayaw!
Kalma. I'm sorry. Name one.
Wow, ang ganda ng damit nila.
Go!
What's your name, sorry? Leanne. Leanne. Leanne.
Leanne.
Leanne.
Hello, Leanne.
Okay. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, ibang energy ng Filipino fans. Leanne represent. Okay, Leanne, handa ka na ba? Yes, I am! Okay, are you ready, Julie?
Yeah,
Okay,
ready,
let's see
let's
the
go.
third word. Here it is. Ay! Parang familiar.
Masarap.
I think you already know this.
Masarap. Ako.
Okay, oh, i-acting mo na. Timer starts now. Adyan na eh. Okay, look at her. What's, wow, ang galing mo na. Tumutulo siya. Okay. Wow, you got the acting.
아까 했잖아요.
Kanina we talked about this.
Yes, yes, yes.
Delicious.
Great job.
저는 아까 이 단어를 이제 외워서 맞는 것 같은데 했는데 피자는 건 줄 알았어요.
Teka, kasi sabi ko, masarap parang it's very familiar. Tapos nung kasi kiss siya, tapos sabi ko, ano ba ito? Masarap? Kiss ba ito?
Ano ba yan? Siyempre, hindi naman natin mapigilan. Fun fact pa, diba? Yan, that is how Vincenzo would describe your favorite pasta dish, right? Masarap. Delicioso. Matches sa'yo.
맛있어요. 맛있어요.
Okay. Alright. So far so good. You got all three.
Let's go.
Let's move on to that side.
Let's go.
Let's go. Are you guys ready? Sino naman? Sino? Dito ba?
Hi, Janina. I'm Good side, player on this side. Mag-iingay. Okay. I think napili na natin ang player.
안녕하세요.
What's your name? What's your name? Gian.
Hi, Dian.
Gian. Gian. Demion. Gian. Hello, Gian. Gian, sumakses ka na. Sobra. Okay. Okay, namatay na siya. At namatay na siya. Oh, kaya pa. Kaya pa. O, hinga ka muna. Hinga malalim, Gian. This is your moment. Oh, Gian, kalma lang. Kalma lang. Kalma lang. That's how you tell them to calm down. Kalma lang. Kalma lang. Kalma lang.
깔만한.
Lang.
깔만한.
Yes. Ikaw, Gian, kalma lang. Okay, are you ready for the word, Gian? Okay. We can do it. Okay. Let's go. Let's look at the word. This is the next word.
진도.
Can you say it again? Show them.
진도.
He's saying Jinto.
긴도.
Ginto.
긴도.
Okay. All diba, you were tasked to retrieve gold sa Vincenzo, diba? Worth 110 million. Okay. So ito naman, fifth player, last na for now. Sino kaya?
Last but not the least.
Ito na, MJ.
Ito na, last but not the least, Lydia.
Hindi na ko to, wala. Hindi na kita pa daw.
An녕하세요.
Hi, Melissa. Melissa going in the house.
Yes.
She's a very good volleyball player.
Hello, I'm Melissa. You greeted me last year, birthday. You met my husband in Anvil.
Ayan na.
Hey, Rob.
Terno pa sila. oh.
기억나는 것 같아요.
Parang I remember.
잘생긴 얼굴이 기억나는 것 같아요.
Ang pogi niya kasi, ang pogi ng mukha niya, that's why I can remember.
Ikaw pala ang nagdala eh.
Oh, diba?
Close eh, love it. Okay, so Melissa, good to see you. Excited ka na ba? Ready ka na ba? Pakita mo yung volleyball moves mo dito, ha? Okay, so let's see the next word. Okay, let's go. Are we ready? Jungi? Yeah? Okay, let's see it. Kaya mo yan. Okay, sige. Kaya mo yan.
Okay, let's
Alright,
go.
let's go. Let's bring in the timer. Timer starts now.
House. Bigger. 흥가프라자. 흥가프라자. 근데 빌딩.
Thank you so much. O diba? Congratulations. Napakadali. Thank you, MJ. O diba? Ano? Diyan ka na lang. Hi. Anything else to say? Kiss na lang.
Thank you so much for greeting me last October. I
Thank you so
cried.
much.
She cried. She cried daw. Umiyak siya.
감사합니다.
Oh, okay. So yes, Gusavi means
Thank you.
building in English, diba? Yung Gunga Plaza, diba? Was the name of the building located in Seoul. Now Vincenzo tried to save, to protect the tenants who he ended up caring for. Oh, may
맞아요.
trivia. May throwback tayo dito. Nag-review ng notes. Okay, so final count. Ilan ang points ni Song Joong Ki? Perfect! 5 out of 5. Ikaw na talaga ang winner. Ikaw ang ano, sumakses. Can you say it? Sumakses.
수막ses.
Yes. It means we all want success.
수막ses. Success.
Yes. Okay, I love it. Alright, so thank you so much. Ang saya-saya, diba? First game pa lang natin na yan.